One of the best upgrades I've ever done for my truck is less than $30 and takes less than 5 minutes. So if you notice here, if you ever dropped a tailgate on your knee on a kid or something, it's not fun. So that's why the Unite kit here for a soft open, super simple. Pick it up on Amazon, less than 30 bucks. Comes with all the tools you need. First thing you're gonna do is remove the bracket up top here. You're gonna use all the existing mounting spots on your truck. Mine's an F-150, that's a 2020, and this just fits perfectly on there. So you remove those top bolts, use the wrench that comes with it, remove these side bolts here, and then you're gonna attach this bracket. It's gonna go right over top the existing hole here. It's got a little wiggle room if you need to adjust a little bit, but put those bolts back in and then use the wrench that came with the kit here from Unite. Tighten it up. Super simple, very quick here. And then you're gonna take this top bracket, use the existing mounting spot and the existing hardware, tighten it up, and then use the Allen wrench that was included as well. So you'll just tighten that up here for a second. But this isn't a luxury upgrade that high-end trucks have, and you can get it for less than $30. So you're gonna attach the piston to the bottom, click it in place up top here, snap it in, and then take the safety strap here. You maybe need to pick your tailgate up a little bit. Click it right back into place. It's not gonna fall out. So just in case your piston fails, which it shouldn't, you have that on so your tailgate doesn't just drop. But there you go. Less than 90 seconds and less than $30. This is such a good upgrade to your F-150. Pick it up today on Amazon. Awesome.